Hello, my dear students. Today we will continue the same chapter, means chapter number 5, Flags of the World. Uh, some means last page is remaining, so that page we will complete today. But before going to read that last page, let's take a revision that what are the things you have learned from this chapter. Okay, up to now. Now, first of all, you have learned about our national flag. It is in tricolor flag, and here you learned that it has three colors in our country's flag. Now, saffron, white, blue wheel, and green. Then after you came to know that this chapter is formed and as a letter, which letter has written by a grandchild to his uh, grandma. Okay, so that grandchild is Ketan, and he has written this letter to his grandma to know about Indian flags or many countries flags. Means yesterday night, means one night he read a book that is in famous, sorry, adventure of famous people, and that time he was eager to know that means some of the people and what they have had done. Now, first of all, he learned that Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. This man. Then, after he learned about two another men, that Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing. They were also means first man to reach the top of the mount, and what have um had done them. Okay, now next page, what he was asking to his grandma, that grandma, uh, um, do you have any interesting things to share with me about our national flags? Any, do you have any information? Please tell me. So that time the grandma also, she replied him some of the country's flag and their means symbol, like this flag is in Japan, that sun. Okay, and what is the quality, that sorry, quality, why it is important for Japan, and this is for Tunisia, and this flag is for USA, means America. After that, she, that means his grandma, gave him a lot of loves, and she stopped his uh, writing. Then after few days, again the grandchild has written one more letter to his grandma, and what is in this letter? Let's we will find it. So for that, what we have to read it. Okay. So look at here. Dear grandma, I loved your letter and the picture you sent. What are the picture did grandma send to his grandchild? Tell me please. Na picture or symbol of Japan, Tunisia, and USA. Okay, so now let's see. I went to our school library to find out more about flags of the world. Means that Ketan went to his लाइब्रेरी स्कूल्स लाइब्रेरी टू फाइंड आउट, मीन्स ढूंढने के लिए जो वर्ल्ड्स के और भी सारे बहुत कंट्रीज हैं और उस कंट्री के फ्लैग्स के बारे में जानने के लिए. आई वॉज सो सरप्राइज to know that shapes also have a special meaning in flags. I found a book on flags which said, means Ketan was surprised to when he saw that some of the shape. Have you means did you learn about shape? Yes, but that square shape, triangle shape, rectangle shapes, oval shape, circle shape. Okay, so when he saw some of the shape in the meaning of in flag, so he was too surprised. First of all, cross. In these olden days, the cross only meant the different points of the compass. Now the cross is also a symbol of faith. So what is the symbol of faith? Na cross. The national flag of England, Sweden, Norway, and Switzerland have this symbol. So what are the countries? Okay, what are the countries this symbol is having? यहाँ कौन सी ऐसा कंट्री है, कौन सी ऐसा देश है जो ये क्रॉस सिंबल को मीन्स उनके पास ये नेशनल फ्लैग के क्रॉस सिंबल है ना? इंग्लैंड, Sweden, see, look at here. Here is written England, Sweden, Norway, and Switzerland. These four countries. Next is it was very interesting when Mummy pointed out that the flag of the International Red Cross was actually created by reversing the colors of the Swiss flag. It has a red cross on a white black background. Don't you think this would be confused at time? See, look at this image. This is a cross and background is white. So it was telling that it was very interesting when मम्मी मीन्स केतन के मम्मी जब पॉइंट किया इस फ्लैग को एंड सेड दैट दिस इज ए इंटरनेशनल रेड क्रॉस. ये इंटरनेशनल मीन्स नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल जो होते हैं जातीय अंतरजातीय जो वो सिंबल होते हैं. सो इट इज लाइक दैट. इट इज in covered, it has a red cross on a white background. Okay, now look at the next symbol. It also read two very interesting facts. Nepal has a triangular flag and the Swiss flag has a square shape. Okay, so it is here, look at here, this symbol. Now it is symbol is Nepal has triangular flag. Okay, many countries have flags representing some cultural symbol like the national bird और फ्लावर. मीन्स बहुत सारे ऐसे कंट्रीज है, बहुत सारे ऐसे देश है जिनके पास सिंबल क्या है, नेशनल बर्ड की तरह है और नेशनल फ्लावर की तरह है. द मोपल is Canada's national tree and the Canadian flag shown as a maple leaf. This flag is for Canada. Okay, you remember this thing that flag, that leaf or shown or tree is shown in the national flag. So you can tell this is the Canadian flag. Did you like the information and pictures that I have collected? Mummy said I should start working on a scrapbook with all this information and pictures. I'm really looking forward to learning more about flags when I visit you in the summer holidays. Many of the countries' flags the Ketan had learned from the two books that uh, from the in school libraries when he went there that time, and his mummy also helped him to know about flags. Okay, now he wanted to learn more about flags, so he's telling that when I will visit to you, means at your house, he is telling to his grandma that time in summer vacation, that time he will learn more about flags from his grandma. After that he stopped his writing and he was telling that your loving grandson Ketan. I hope you understood about the whole chapter about the flags of the world, about some people who did something at first times. Okay, now look at the exercises from comprehensions. Answer these questions but you have written already in your book. Yes, now b number second number exercise I'm going to explain, you do in your copy. Complete this sentence. sentences. The star and the moon together symbols, ये कहाँ पे होते हैं ना, divinity. Okay, DIVINITY. Next is second number is dash of stars often stand for energy. Now groups, what will come here? Groups, GROUPS. Groups of stars often stand for energy. Third number, the flag of the USA is called the stars and dash stripes. What will come here? Next, stripes, STRIPES. Next is fourth number is Nepal's flag is shaped like a dash triangle, TRIANGLE, while the Swiss flag is a square, SQUARE 1. Okay, fifth number is the maple is the national tree of Canada, CANADA. In grammar session we will do later. So I think enough for today's video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.